Hi guys, so today I gave myself a pedicure using the Gelish gel polish system, and I just quickly want to go over what I used because I wasn't able to record, talking through it. So I'm just going to show you this, and then we'll have some music and the actual video. So I just want to show you really quickly. You're going to need a cuticle pusher to prepare your nails, a nail file. I use the nail surface cleanse, but you can use any dehydrator. Okay, for the base of the design when you first begin. You're gonna need some little pads for that, and then as far as Gelish, you're gonna need your pH bond. I assume any primer is okay. This to me isn't really a primer; it's more of a dehydrator. Also, and it says it right there, pH bond. Right on the bottom it says dehydrator, because it just, as soon as you put it on, it evaporates. So both of them I use, the cleanser and then the dehydrator. And then we're going to go right in with your foundation. A nice thin coat. All these are going to be thin coats, and remember to cap the very tip of the nail every time, okay? I missed that a couple times in the video. But foundation. And then I used 2 coats of Shake It Till You Samba, and it's a gorgeous color, really fun color. Of course, Gelish mini color. And all these things I got at Sally's. And then over that I put 1 thin coat of High Voltage. And then we're gonna finish with Top It Off. Okay, and then after you're done with that, you're gonna cleanse it and apply a cuticle oil. In this case, I use the Nourishing Oil. And the lamp that I used to cure with was the Sally Hansen professional LED lamp, and I love this lamp. I've used this with probably every brand of gel polish that I have, including Sally Hansen, Red Carpet, Super Nail, Gelish, and it works just fine with all of them, and each coat takes only 30 seconds or less even to cure. So I did use this, but you can use whatever lamp you have, just mind the time according to your lamp, okay? So let's get started.